What if I told you that not every channel here on YouTube with 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours is monetized? That means some channels who have reached the monetization threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours are still not able to make money from their videos, even with a lot of views on those videos. Now, it's very possible for someone to be making videos tirelessly, hoping that at the end of the day, once they hit their monetization threshold, they'll be able to earn money from those videos. But at the end, it's either the channel or the videos are not monetized, or the channel is limited to advertisers' interest. That is to say, most advertisers do not pick interest in that kind of topic or in that niche. So by all means, you want to avoid these niches and these topics I'm going to be sharing with you shortly in this video. Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel Jay's Tips, where we grow together smarter and faster. If this video interests you, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. It's possible for a channel or a video to have a lot of views, but yet they're not making money off those videos and those views. Now, the first niche or topic you want to avoid is anything controversial, be it videos, be it topics, or even graphics. Anything controversial, especially politics, you want to avoid that. As long as a topic puts you in a controversial position, you want to avoid that topic, because even if YouTube monetizes that content, it will still be against advertisers' policy and you still will not make enough money from it. Because as long as it's against advertisers' policy, advertisers will not be putting ads in your videos. And when advertisers don't put ads in your videos, your revenue will be limited. You make more money from YouTube from advertisers, not exactly from creating content. The money you earn from YouTube is from those advertisers, those ads in between your video. You make more money when you get more views. More views simply mean that more persons are going to see that advert. So no matter the views you get on that content, as long as it is controversial, you will make little or no money out of it. So you want to avoid that niche or that kind of topic. Now, the second niche or the content type you want to avoid is the get rich quick schemes. Now, this is for people in the make money online niche. Now, you want to avoid any kind of topic that says get rich quick. Anything that looks unrealistic, anything that says download this app with and register with $1 and tomorrow you cash out $10, anything that looks unrealistic, those crypto kind of things that look unrealistic. As long as you know this thing looks unrealistic, sharing links to those sites that can help people make money, there are other ways you can do that, not on YouTube. So anything that looks unrealistic. It's one thing to be invited to join the YouTube partnership program. It's another thing to get accepted into the YouTube partnership program. And then there are persons who have gotten accepted into the YouTube partnership program and later got rejected from that same YouTube partnership program. And you don't want that to be your case. So just avoid this kind of niche. The third niche I want to talk about is health related. Now, even if you are a health personnel, as long as you don't have the complete knowledge of that topic, it's best not to put it out. Or even if you have to put it out, you can put a disclaimer. There are some persons that are not even in the health field, but then they come out to give health advice. Those persons should always make sure to put a disclaimer so that people who watch your videos and decide to follow your advice will know that this is coming from a place of experience. Like, this is something I have experienced before, so I'm sharing it, not because I am in the health field and this is it. So just make sure you put a disclaimer. The fourth niche I want to talk about is those niches that talk about adult content rated 18+. So there are some words that you might want to use that YouTube would find offensive or not suitable for some particular audience, especially when you don't state in your description that this is rated 18 plus, that this is not made for kids. If you don't tick out that option, so there are some words that you might want to use that YouTube would have to restrict your video because of those words. There are some content that you see that when those words want to come out of the person's mouth, it's a sound you will hear instead. You on your own watching that video really want to fix that word in your mind. So always make sure to avoid using vulgar words that are rated 18 plus. There are also times that people have to spell those vulgar words in a certain way just to avoid issues with YouTube. Maybe they might put special symbols in between to replace some of the letters, just like that, or blur out some of the letters just so that they are safe on YouTube. If you're still watching at this point, make sure to smash that like button and drop me your comment. The last niche we'll be talking about is those niches who use copyrighted content. Now, a lot of issues can come up when you use other people's content. Number one, you might get a strike. Number two, you might get that video taken down. So in order to use other people's content, always make sure to give credit to the original owner of the content. If you don't do that, you might get a strike or get that video taken down. This is particular for those in the music niche or reaction video niche. And then also the bad part of really using copyrighted content is that even if sometimes YouTube actually restricts that content to a certain location, so people from some locations cannot access that video. Even if they do, you cannot monetize that. They are just going to, and then for the revenue, you are not going to get all of it because it's going to be shared between you and the original owner of the content. So you are going to be getting a part of the revenue, while the original owner of that content is also going to be getting a part of the revenue. Now, you don't want to be working and somebody else is eating. No matter the views you get, you will not get all the revenue for that content. So it's better to just avoid copyrighted content as much as you can. If you're still watching at this point, please smash the like button, drop me your comment, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell icon so that you never miss out on any of my updates. Until next time, bye.